welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an ice cream review, a keto ice cream review. Please don't mind my hair. I just got off work, I got home, I had this beautiful package awaiting, and I'm so excited because it's ice cream. It's 2 net carbs per serving ice cream. 1 serving size is half a cup. There are 4 serving sizes in a container. Now I'm a Rebel ice cream girl. Is this gonna beat Rebel ice cream? I don't know. This company is called Creamery. It is a keto ice cream. It is their website is killercreamery.com. They have I think they have 6 flavors. I was sent 4. So they have No Judgment, which we have here. They have Peanut Blubber, which we have. Brownie Points, which we have. Caramel's Back, which I wish we had. But we have Chilla and Vanilla. And then Jam Session. I wonder what's in Jam Session. Anyways, so you can contact them if you have any questions. I got home from work. Please don't mind my hair. I had a beautiful package awaiting me. It is these beautiful 4 ice creams. I think that the logo is super cute. It's a little killer whale. So I think all of these are 2 net carbs. Oh, Brownie Points is 3 net carbs per serving, but all the other ones are 2. And yeah, so everyone is 2 net carbs except for Brownie Points. Brownie Points is 3, which I'm not mad at it. So the 4 flavors that we got, and they sent me this in turn for an honest review. So I'm going to review these and I am going to give my honest review. I was very excited because I've seen these all over Instagram recently. People have been finding them in stores, and what a great time for them to arrive at my door so I can give them a good review. And I just seen, okay, so that's cool. Let's look. No sugar added, all natural, 15 grams, total fat per serving, made in the US. I just seen made with MCT oil, so that's cool. There's MCT oil in this. I'll read you the ingredients for the peanut blubber. I love the name. It goes along with the killer whale. Ingredients: cream, water, erythritol, egg yolks, natural peanut butter, peanut salt, MCT oil, cocoa powder, whey protein, hickory root fiber, vegetable glycerin, pure vanilla extract, xanthan gum, locust bean, guar, stevia. Those are really good ingredients, you guys. Very good. Total carbs for this is 11 grams, 3 grams of fiber, 6 erythritol, and 5 protein, 15 grams of fat, 170 calories. Not mad at it, you guys. This is really good, and I think all of these are pretty much the same. The Chilla and Vanilla has 7 erythritol, 2 fiber, 150 calories. The Judgment, oh my hands are so cold, has 7 erythritol, 2 fiber, 11 carbs, total carbs, 3 protein, where this one had 5 protein and vanilla has 3 protein. This is also 150 calories. And then the Brownie Points, which is 3 net carbs, 6 erythritol, 12 total carbs, 3 fiber, 160 calories, and 3 grams of protein. So these are really hard right now. They've been, I mean, they packaged them really well. Don't worry about getting a puddle of ice cream if you order online. They came in dry ice and they were really, they came in dry ice and they were really packaged really well. So, I don't know, which one do we want to try first?
I want to try brownie.
All right, now here's the real. Are you, okay, hi, get down. Everybody can't be here. No, you don't need, no, you don't need to, you're not reviewing. Link's not reviewing. Get down, go on. Get down.
Keto puppy treats.
Get down. Anybody make keto puppy treats? P.O. box in the description. Send them to Linky. All right, so we're gonna try Brownie Points first. here's the real tea, sis. Does it have anything underneath? And it does. It has something that I love, Rebel ice cream, but it's very weird that they don't have a thing. So they do have a thing, which I just read. Killer giveaway. New killer prizes every month. Enter at killercreamery.com/giveaway. That's neat. Interesting. Okay. So here's what it looks like. It is definitely rock hard right now. It is frozen solid. I'm not going to be able to give it a good fair taste. I got to let this kind of thaw out. So the first one that I'm trying after it's thawed out a bit is Brownie Points. I want to see if I can find, because it looks, is there stuff in it? Yes, I think there is. That looks like a chunk of something, maybe. Or it's just more cold than the rest. We'll see. Get a spoonful. That was a chunk of something. It's a chunk of like a brownie. Okay. Let me get one more bite of the brownie. I would like for the ice cream to taste more chocolatey. The brownie pieces are good, but the ice cream, the chocolatey ice, I mean, it's chocolate. It is chocolate. It's just not maybe as chocolatey. So I'll let the kids try. It's good. Okay, that bite was more chocolatey, so maybe it was just... What do you think, Reese? Reese doesn't like it? Reese is not a fan of Brownie Points. Tiffany?
I like it.
Peyton? Peyton likes it. Reese does not. Okay. Next, peanut blubber. I'm excited for this one because I see a streak of peanut butter.
I don't like peanut butter.
You are not stealing that ice cream. All right.
I like peanut butter.
So this is peanut blubber. Look at that streak right there.
Gimme.
This one is good. I taste that peanut butter.
Come on.
Almost tastes like a peanut butter cookie.
Did you just taste the whole thing?
I like that one. That one is good.
I don't know.
Tiffany's not a fan of peanut butter, but you didn't get a swirl, like a chunk. The chunk of peanut butter. Dexter, stop. Mixed with the ice cream, it tastes like a peanut butter cookie.
That's good.
And so far, the peanut blubber is my favorite so
I
far.
like the brownie one so far.
Okay. Next is Chilla and Vanilla. This one looks good.
Can you stop?
Chilla and Vanilla. Come on.
Oh, that's good. That one is good. It's creamy. It's vanilla. It's very smooth. Go ahead. I'm waiting for you. That one's creamy.
Very.
That one's very creamy. What do you think, Reese? Yeah, you like that one?
I like vanilla.
Yeah, that vanilla is very creamy and it has a lot of flavor. What did you think? Peyton likes it. Alright, And then the last one, which I have high hopes for because I am a big mint ice cream fan.
No judgment.
So let's try it. Oh,
I don't like mint.
mint flavor with dark chocolate chips. Look at that chocolate chip right there. I need that in my life. You step back,
I was
woman.
moving, Mom.
Can I have the second one? Because Peyton's been getting this and me first.
I wish it could be a little bit more minty,
Very minty.
but it does have a lot. I'm a big mint person. So this is good. I like this.
That's very minty. I have a personal favorite of the vanilla. Not even keto, and they're good.
I think that the mint one does leave sort of a minty, odd aftertaste. But really, when I think about it, I think all mint does.
Mm-hmm.
I like the consistency of the mint and the vanilla. It's very creamy, very soft.
Don't eat Mom's ice cream.
Just a second bite.
Whereas these darker ones, okay, I let it sit a little bit longer. Ooh. I'm telling you, I think peanut blubber is my favorite. Even after it sat longer. You really do, just like with Rebel, you have to let this kind of sit out.
I like the
Okay.
vanilla one.
That chocolate tastes so much better right now. You can definitely taste the chocolate in it. Definitely let these sit out. That is a lot better if you let it sit out.
Don't do that on camera.
So Tiffany, what one was your favorite?
The vanilla one. It's very creamy.
Reese, which one was your favorite?
Vanilla.
Peyton?
Peanut blubber.
Mine too. And we've gone to town. For peanut blubber being our favorite, we sure have gone to town on Brownie Points. It's
I like Brownie Points too.
I like this one.
These are, I think that these are all good. I really hope that these come to my stores locally because these are good options. These are really good ingredients. Make sure they all have the same.
Basically, yeah.
Brownie Points, well, it's high. Brownie Points is higher in carbs. It does have more ingredients.
This is brownie.
Yeah, I give these, I rank these right up there with Rebel, to be honest. Rebel, you know the difference, the one thing that stands out to me with Rebel is that kind of powdery, hard, I know that goes away when you let it sit out for a period of time. But even still, it still kind of has it, like in that stage of getting to the, you know, the creamier spots. No, don't let them out yet. But I didn't get that like powdery, like it's that consistency. The texture is different with these. I think that these are a lot creamier.
I have a feeling Brownie Points is Peyton's favorite.
No, we haven't even eaten dinner yet, actually. We just had dessert well before dinner. So yeah, I already talked about this. Yeah, enter if you dare. I like that. That's cute with the killer whales. So yeah, I really do. I hope that this goes to stores by me. I'll have to keep an eye out because this is good. This is good. This gets an A+ in my book so far. I mean, it's a close tie between Rebel and this. Since this is not in my stores, I'll probably continue to buy Rebel if I find this. But you know, depending on the flavors, I'll go between the two. As for the chocolate flavor, I think I like Rebel's chocolate flavor better, but I really like this peanut butter one better, and I really like the mint, and the vanilla is really good. All right, guys, so that's our review on the Killer Creamery. Yes, okay. They're gonna try to eat it all. We gotta go. Bye, guys.